Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today on Customer States What? Customer states my exhaust is loud and the check engine light is on. Please check and advise, and while you're there, before multi-point inspection, say no more. Well, we got an 02 Highlander here. It's an oldie and not too good of a goodie. And I can tell you right off the bat, we got a rodent issue. And they are well aware of it. Well, let's look around. As you know, we got the Shrek piss right there. Let's see how this power steering fluid's. Ooh-wee, it's looking a little dark there, guy. Looking like you got some soot in there. Coolant? Yeah, there's coolant in there. Oh, my light just died. That's fine. We got this one right here. Looks like the timing belt's been done at one point. Very good. Well, I'm looking on top of the transmission and I could see some chewed up acorns. Very good. Alright guys, you know what comes next. Let's take it up top. So now that we took it up top, we're going to look around. Oh, well, would you look at that. We're not going to see the vacuum plate because it's not there. Control arm got some flavor to it. Rotors. Oh, they got some lip that's talking back. Alright, transmission pan, looks like we have a leak. Self-lubricating is not at proper leakage yet. Uh-oh. Alright, we got some leaks here. Looks like we got oil pan leak. Maybe front differential cover leak, because there's no fluid behind it or around it, so it's probably just that cover there. Either way, this whole unit would have to come out to be replaced. I mean, excuse me, not to replace, to be resealed. Looks like we got a valve cover leak. Alright, very good. Got some rust on that control arm. Let's go a little further back. The check engine light is on, and I wonder why. I wonder why your exhaust is loud and your check engine light is leaking. Look at this O2 sensor. Even the O2 sensor on the inside is rusting. Yep, so what happens here, guys, the hardware, it no longer identifies as hardware, and then yeah, this happens right here. So what we're doing today is we're just replacing that there gasket, and I believe we're replacing this one too. I already sprayed some PB Blaster on the hardware. The other flanges, well, they're not leaking, but they are oogly a boogly. I'm not touching that one. I'm not touching that one. And I'm not touching that one. Let's go a little further back. Let's go a little further back. Yep, we got rust, we got flavor. Oh, here's a beautiful flavor chip right there. Whoa, look at this sway bar. Wow. Wow. Oh, they got some ready struts. They got some ready struts in the back. And I believe they got some ready struts in the rear. Vacuum plates. Not that healthy. Rotors, brakes. Not that healthy. Petrified diff, you betcha. Alright, let's get into the exhaust repair and hope we can get this car out.
Oh no, you screwed it all up. It's $49,900.
Alright, I hope it's in there. Well, alright guys. We ran a tap on both studs, try and save as much as we could. I also had to hit the hole with a needle scaler, giggity, because we still had some gasket material there and some raised edges from rust forming. So yeah, we're gonna fit the sensor in, which I do not like. I'll tell you now, right now guys, I inherited this job. Oh, I got a phone call. Excuse me. I am not happy about replacing this O2 sensor. I will let you guys know right now, this job was an inheritance. Technician called out, and somebody got to step up, so it is what it is. They wrote up gasket, and that's what I'm putting in. I don't like the fact that there's rust. I just saw a little piece of debris in that hole. I don't know if I caught it on camera, but there's something in that hole, guys. Alright, let's get it in. Giggity. Well, alright guys, we got the O2 sensor in with the brand new gasket and brand new hardware. We'll see if it works. I'm going to clear the code and start it, and hopefully the code won't come back. But I'm not that confident. And you guys saw why I'm not going to be confident in this repair. It might not be leaking, but I don't know if this O2 is going to be monitoring correctly or not. And decided not to replace this gasket here because, not for nothing, it's not leaking. There's no black soot. I could still see that there's a gasket there. Same with these flanges. Even though they're ugly, but there's no black soot coming out of them, so they're not leaking. Same with up there. Same with this flex pipe. Even though it's missing a mesh guard, doesn't appear to be leaking. And also with this flange. Very good. So let's start the car and see if it sounds like we still have an exhaust leak or not. Alright, let's see how she sounds. Contact. Very good, no more exhaust leak. Well, I think the flex pipe is leaking, not for nothing. You know what, while it's running, let's put it in the air. Might even be a manifold, but either way, something don't sound good. Well, I fixed the O2 sensor, but there's a leak, and it's not that. It's right there. Oh, you see how it fogged the freaking camera up? We got a pinhole leak. Well, it's more than a pinhole. We got a screwdriver hole leak right here. And that's right next to the O2 sensor. Like right there. So that's definitely, yeah, look, it's spitting at us. That's definitely going to cause a check engine light because it's allowing oxygen in that's unmetered or unburned from the engine, and it's giving that O2 sensor a false reading. And that's probably half the reason why the tip of the sensor is rusty too, because it's allowing moisture in. Things just escalated. Well guys, interesting turn of events. The customer said, I only need this car to last 3 months. You know what I said? Say no more. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take some of this gabagoo right here and we're going to fill that hole up. We got some muffler cement. Just going to cake it up in there, you know what I mean? You want to fill it up good. It's a brand new freaking canister and half of it's dry, half of it's no good. Wonderful, look. Huh. The entire bottom right there is no good. It's just like epoxy. 1 out of 10 cups are gonna be good. Alright, very good, very good. Alright. We'll let that sit and hopefully it won't be loud anymore. Alright. Muffler cement has hardened, at least on the outside. Alright, contact. Not bad, but let's take it up top. Well, alright. It's not puffing. It's not spitting at me. It's not fogging the camera up. Very good. It's not the fix I wanted, but it's the fix it got. If you guys don't know what to do, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.